The next question is from Rizwan Bashir from Punjab, Pakistan. Sir, I want to get into missionary work like Shaikh Ahmed Deedat to give Dawah to the Christians of Pakistan. Please guide me, how can I study the Bible? Which points or verses of the Bible are compulsory for a Daee to read and memorize? But the Rizwan from Pakistan has asked a question that he wants to become like Shaikh Ahmed Deedat. May Allah grant mercy to him. May Allah grant him Jannat al-Firdaus. And he wants to do Dawah to the Christians of Pakistan. The best I would recommend to you is that you should read the booklets written by Shaikh Ahmed Deedat. And he has written about 15 to 20 booklets. They have been compiled in 2 volumes, the Choice Volume 1 and Choice Volume 2. All put together, there are approximately 15 to 20 booklets. So if you read these booklets, if you memorize them, it will be very helpful for you to do Dawah to the Christians. There are various video cassettes available of Shaikh Ahmed Deedat. You can go on the internet, you can go on the YouTube, you will find them available. Officially released by them were somewhere close to 80 to 90 videos. You can watch them, you can memorize them, it will be really helpful for you. Besides Shaikh Deedat's books and video cassettes, you can even go on my website, ZakirNaik.com, which has a separate section called as International Dawah Training Program. When you go to the International Dawah Training Program, there is a section only on Christianity. If you open that section and read, you will find the common question asked by Christians regarding Islam. 10 common questions how the Christians try to prove the divinity of Jesus Christ, peace be upon him, and so on and so forth. There are various questions, the answers are given. Regarding which verses of the Bible should you memorize for doing Dawah to the Christian, there's a separate section in which is mentioned verses of the Bible. And we have given first maybe 15-20 verses of the Bible, then the next 15-20 verses of the Bible, maybe a couple of 100 verses. If you memorize these few 100 verses from the Bible, you will also be able to debate the Pope. Then we have given maybe 25 verses of the Quran to memorize, the next 25, the next 25, maybe a couple of 100 verses of the Quran. If you know these couple of 100 verses of the Quran and memorize a couple of 100 verses of the Bible, inshallah, you can even debate with the Pope. And if you read the complete section on Christianity and memorize it, and you can even see my video cassettes. One of the good video cassettes is similarities between Islam and Christianity. There's also a debate of mine with Dr. William Campbell, the Quran and the Bible in the light of science, a debate of mine with Pastor Rukunuddin on was Christ really crucified, peace be upon him. So if you see these videos and see these debates, inshallah, that will be very helpful for you to do Dawah with the Christians of Pakistan.